issued a tornado warning for West Central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Belvidere, or 10 miles northeast of Easton, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Belvidere, Hope, Locksburg, Columbia, Delaware Water Gap, and Portland. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile marker 0 and 12. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Warren, New Jersey,